Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. And today we're playing Build a Boat, and I'm here with my homeboy William. Say hello.
What's up, guys?
Yo, what's up?
Yeah,
Alright,
so
so
we played this game a lot, and we have hundreds of hours on it. But you know what? I don't think I ever actually play this game. When was the last time you built a boat and build a boat for treasure? So we're gonna try that out.
centuries.
Is it still fun to build boats and build a boat for treasure? All right, here is the finished product.
The finished product is now complete.
And I think we're gonna get this first try with our amazing boat, SS Sink. Let's go. I'm gonna launch
Let's
it.
launch the boat. We put our blood and sweat and tears into this boat.
Just realized.
Bruh,
Did he just
if
spawn
someone
that
made a
in, or
farm.
did I not realize it was there?
He just spawned that in. That wasn't in the other stage. I could have sworn.
Dude, this guy needs to start building boats.
Yeah,
Instead of
built
big
so unoriginal.
platforms. Unoriginal, man. I bet
Built
he copied
boats.
that from a tutorial, put no soul into it. In fact, I think he's comparable to AI.
We would never build like big robots and guns.
That thing was a little.
That was really close. Yeah.
bunker.
Are we
Why
stuck?
Why are we not moving? Something
We're stuck on that coin.
That coin. Uh-oh.
There we go.
Oh, dude. Good. Nice save with the cannons.
Master boat builders. I'm just saying, if you need a boat mechanic.
Oh, crap. Yo!
What I was trying to say before we almost died is you should call us up.
Yo! Wait! Yo! Our boat! R.I.P. bro.
R.I.P. boat.
Look at him. Let's see. He spawned that in. He just did it. He's AI.
Yeah, he's AI. Oh yeah, anyone know what I think of your AI?
Wait.
Oh
He
yeah.
doesn't have isolation on. We can stop him. Oh wait, he does. But I have an idea.
Oh yeah, I could press it.
Okay, and all I gotta do is anchor this.
I see your
block.
vision. We're gonna turn it off.
Okay. Now that you're anchored. Oh, you're going right through.
Alright,
Okay,
you gotta
here we
turn me
go.
to the right.
Can
Oh,
you-
never mind. We're here. I turned it off. It's not doing anything. Boat.
Oh yeah.
We're professional build-a-boat players, so hop in.
Let's go.
Let's launch this boat.
This guy. What about this guy? I have to harpoon him. No!
You dead.
I will get him. I will snipe him.
Go way over there. There's no point. Why would you do that?
I got him!
Oh my god, you got him!
I got him! Yo! We're taking him with us. Okay. Yeah, we're taking him with us. Yo!
Click the harpoon to drag him in.
Oh no, he's gonna die in the water. Okay.
Quick, you gotta bring him
Yo!
up.
Oh
Yeah.
no. Oh, he wants to join our team. Oh, I've been denying him the whole time. I'm such a meanie. I'll let him join.
Those things take a damage. Didn't say that William's crazy in the comments. So I think that William's pretty fine. We got a lock in here. Yo, is that the guy
Where?
on the rock?
Oh, who is that? Oh shit. Oh no. Okay. Hold on, we might have.
Oh, we can't get him.
Who is this? Oh no. Okay, we should not have launched those things. Okay, we gotta reel them in. We gotta reel them in, man. Reel them in.
Oh fuck! I accidentally real.
Okay, that
Oh,
one
shit.
will despawn. The golden one we gotta reel in. Reel it in. Keep reeling in the golden one. We can get ourselves back. It's the golden one we gotta reel in.
We have 6 seconds.
The golden one, man. Can you interact with it? No, not that. The
What?
other golden one. Look, its harpoon is out. There's 2 of them. You see that one? Can you please?
I know which
reel
one
it
you're
in?
talking about.
Here on the stage with us.
Oh crap! We're getting stuck.
No, it's okay. We can just use it to go back. Okay, now use it to get us back to water.
Help me click.
Alright, we're good. I think.
There we go.
It's full speed ahead.
Gotta quickly reel this in.
Look, we're going above the rocks. Okay, no more harpoons.
Okay, there we go. We made it.
They're dangerous, man.
Actually, let me harpoon this one thing just to get by. They can help
Okay,
us.
that's smart.
We need to shoot this rock so it breaks. I shot it. Yes, we're gonna go. Yes! We made it! We made it! Everybody, we made it! This is what real success looks like.
We just have to get past this final challenge.
The waterfall.
This is why you gotta go inside.
Oh no. We made it. Yo, what's happening to the boat? Yo, my boat! Yo, we did it. Look behind you, dude. It's the chest.
Oh, we gotta get to it.
The treasure. Yo!
What's this guy been up to? Yo, bro, I'm sorry for pulling you into the water there.
Well, we made it to the end.
What do we do with him?
Hmm.